What's up, everyone? We are finally going to be opening up our brand new QuickTrick Alignment Tools. If you've been following the page for a while, you've seen me use the basic QuickTrick Alignment Tool that I've had for years. I love it. Well, it's time that we finally unbox our upgrade. So this is the latest and greatest, and we got a set of turn plates here. So let's open it up and see what we got inside. Nice familiar looking case, similar to what we know already. Nice logo on there, QuickTrick Alignment. Let's open up the turn plates. Oh, baby. Super nice. So here is our turn plates. I called them slip plates incorrectly, but they're turn plates. So when we're adjusting our toe, it doesn't restrict any movement from the adjustment. You put these in front of the wheel and then you drive onto them. That way you still have the weight of the suspension, so all your angles are exactly where they need to be when you're checking and adjusting the alignment. Nice pieces. Let's open up our bag and see what we have on the inside. Everything in its place, nice and tidy, just like our old kit. Pieces for the new heads. We have scales on the actual bar. This is square aluminum tubing. The old school QuickTrick piece was steel square tubing. This is aluminum, so a lot fancier schmancier. We have two sets of scales. I believe for the front as well as the rear. There we go. Here's our pieces for mounting the heads to the wheel. Similar to the old one. Adjustable slide. There we go. And in here is all the goodies. Packing list and instructions. I'll be reading these. Hardware, bungees, That was one of the things with the original QuickTrick alignment tool. I ended up always using bungees to keep the heads secure to the wheel and tire. We got some string go across our crossbars, and then we have our digital levels, and then all the pieces to get the heads mounted on the wheels. So we'll see about getting this piece together.